Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on ByTrading. So you can see right there, I've gotten about $206 right here. So I started trading with about $130, and right now I'm up with $76 plus on my balance, which is making my balance $206. And I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to trade on this platform, and also how you can earn money on this particular platform also. So trading on this platform is a very easy thing because you are just following signals on this particular platform and earning USDT for yourself. So guys, make sure to watch video to the end as I show you a step-by-step guide on how you can earn USDT for yourself, and also join my WhatsApp and my Telegram communities with the link you find on my profile. And also you will find the link to join this ByTrading platform in the comment section of this video. So they also have a Telegram group right here where you can take signals from, in which you will be earning from your trading. So I'm going to drop that Telegram channel in the comment section of this video also. So first of all, I will show you the sign up process, then I'm going to show you how you can trade and earn from this platform also. So here's how to sign up for the platform. First of all, once you head over to the link, you see this human verification. Just come over here and you click on this right here to verify. So I'll just click on that. You just wait for a little while until load you over to the platform. So once you're at the platform, you first of all have to register an account. Click on this, register to enter. Okay, once you click on that, then you wait until load up like this. So you can use any option right here to log in. So you first of all input in your email address, then get an code, and also input your password. Then you also see your invite code. So right here, just click on this sign up button right. I'm just going to quickly input in my email address right here and also ask for the code also. So let me do all that right now. Okay, so let me just write in my email address. Okay, so once you input in your email address, then you will just click on this place right here to send code. That time right then, once you click on that, they're going to send the code and it's going to count 120 seconds. Okay, just head over to your email and you refresh. You can see right there, this is the ByTrading. So you just come over here and this is the code. So just copy this particular code right here. So I'll click on copy and I'll head over back and paste in the code over here. So once you paste the code, just head over here, click on this sign up button right there. Once you click on sign up, and you wait and you will just log in right now. So this is how the interface of the platform is going to be like. So on the home menu right here, you have the calculator, invite button, simulator, follow, and also my team, and you can see beginners. So right here you can also see that you have BTC 28 and also game start, ETH 10, and also start. So in a little while, I'm going to show you how you can use all these options to start making money on this particular platform. So guys, here's how to trade and start earning USD for yourself on ByTrading. As you can see right there, we have the Bitcoin 28, we have the Ethereum trade, and you can also see spot right here. But in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to trade on the Bitcoin 28 right here on the 5 minutes trade. So guys, first of all, before you trade, okay, let me just head over to my balance. You can see mine right here. So you can see this mine right here. Just click on it. So make sure you look at your balance and know what's in your balance. So I have approximately about $206. So before you take a trade, what you have to do first of all is click on this calculator right here. So once you click on it, you have to now do a calculation on this. So make sure that your x is on 2.5x and it's on step 8. Okay, so you can see right there, all you need to do right here is how to click on that particular spot and edit it. So you write what is in your balance. So I have about $206 right now. You can see right there, once I write in the $206, you can see that the numbers here, they will not change. So this is the amount you have to trade with. So it's based on your balance. They're going to give you an amount you are also going to trade this, and you can see they have stage 1 to stage 8 on this particular trade. So they're going to drop signals on their Telegram group where you can use it and you also earn from it. So if you don't make profit from stage 1, you go to stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, stage 5, stage 7 and also stage 8. And also if you also lose, you can also DM the admin in the Telegram community and also get a refund of your funds. Okay guys, these are the trades going to be looking like. So example of the trade are something like this. You can see this trade is a 5 minute trade, and also you can see right there that's recommended. You can see this is stage 1, and you can also see the trade is an even trade. So let me show you how you can do all this. So let's say for example we're taking this 5 minute trade right now. Okay, let's head over right here. So make sure you come over right here and you write in your balance over here. So you can see this is your balance, so make sure you write it, and once you write it, they're going to give you this amount right here. So this is stage 1 trade. So according to that message, it's recommended that we should use the stage 1 to trade. So you can see this number right here, 0.203. okay, that is the recommended amount. So once you go back to the home menu, all we need to do is to click on this BTC 28. So just click on this one right here, BTC 28. And once you click on that, then what you have to do right here is to come over here and you select this 5 minutes. You can see this trade is on 5 minutes according to them on their Telegram channel. You can see 5 minute trade. Okay, click on 5 minutes, and once you click on this 5 minutes right here, then you just have to hold on, and you can see right there, and you can also see this stuff will pop up right here. So let's go to the next step. You can see this is the next step that says okay, you can see the next step, it says even. So you can see this is even, and the trade we're going to take in from even right here. So this is even right here, so just select on even. Then okay, then what you have to do right here is to now write in the trade amount. So remember on that stage 1 on the calculator, we got about 0.2 03. okay, you can see right there, this is what goes on stage 1. So after putting in, just click on the trade button right there, and it's going to trade for 5 minutes for you. And once it's finished trading for 5 minutes, then the result is going to come out. So guys, so if you are asked to use the stage 2, okay, let's say for, if I head over to the Telegram channel, you can see right there that it says recommended quantity 1x. So if you're asked to use 2.5x, which is you are going to be using the stage 2. okay, let's head over back to our calculator and let me show you what I'm talking about. So once you head over to your calculator right here, click on calculator, and you can see right there, just paste in what the amount you have gotten. So let's say $206 right here, $206. And you can see right there that once I click on this right here, you can see this is the stage 1 amount to trade with. Then you can see this is stage 2 amount that I'm to trade with also. So don't be confused about that. So if your balance reduces, just write the current balance you have before taking a trade. Let's say for example I take a trade and I lost about $1 or $0.5. let's say I have $205 right now, right? $205. So once I write in $205, you can see right there that the trade amount is going to change also. So make sure you take note of the stages you see on the Telegram group. So you can see this is stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and these are the amounts you have to trade with on them. So guys, I'm going to show you how to trade live on this platform right now. So we missed the morning trade, which is about 9 a.m. and the evening trade is about 5 a.m., which is 30 minutes from now. So you can also see the scheduled time for your country. So like someone in Nigeria is starting about 9 a.m. in the morning, which is the first set of signal, and the season 2 is 17 UTC, which is about 5 p.m. in Nigeria time. So you can also see the time for Egypt, India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, some other country right here, and Argentina, Vietnam. So there are other countries right here. So if you are on these countries, you just look the time that the signals are going to be started. As you can see, these signals dropped in the group this morning. They are all from 9 a.m. signals. So once I will just hold on for a while for the 5 p.m. signal. I'm going to trade live for you also. So guys, before I show you how to trade, so let me show you how to deposit on this platform. So what you have to do right here you just come over to this point right here. You can see this point that says mine, so just click on mine. So once you click on mine right there, then you just click on this point that says top up. So once you click on top up, then right here you have to now select the amount you want to top up on. So you can see right there $10, $20, $50, $100, $200, $500. You can see the maximum right there is okay, $5,000. So you can write in any amount you want, but the minimum to deposit is $10. So let's click on this right here. You can see you can either deposit in TRC20 USDT, or you can deposit with TRX itself, or you can deposit with Naira if you are in Nigeria, or you can also deposit with Pakistan currency right here, which is PKR. So guys, you can see the deposit option is simple. So let's say for example I want to deposit $10. I will just select $10 right here, then okay, and I'll click on this top up you see below right here. So once I click on top up, then you can see right there they will now ask me to send the USDT to this particular address depending on which option you are using. So if you are using Naira, you send Naira. Okay, so you can see right there after sending it, then you have to now upload a proof that you have sent it. Then after some time, okay, click on this confirm button. In few minutes, then it's going to be verified and your USDT will appear in your balance. So guys, let me show you how you can trade on this platform, and also so you can make money for yourself also. So guys, this is the level 1. You can see right there when you see anything 1x, it means you are on level 1. You see 2.5, you are in level 2. You see 6.25, you are on level 3, and also 15.3 on level 4. 39.05x, you are on level 5. So on and so on. So you can look at the picture. So if you see any one of them, you can paste in your mouse on the calculator and pick the number to trade. So if you lose consistently from level 1 to level 8, you are going to get a 100% refund of everything you spend. So all you need to do for you to get a 100%, just screenshot a proof of all the trade you took and go to the Telegram channel and message the admin, and once they verify, they're going to refund all your losses back to your account. So we just have 5 minutes to 1 minute and 1 minute to the trade. So this is what you do. First of all, you come over to your calculator. So right on your calculator, just paste in, okay, click on it, and you write in the amount on your balance. So I'm just going to do that. So write in this amount right here. I have $206. All right, $206 right here. You can see level 1 to level 8. Okay, let's head over to the group. You can see the first signal just dropped right now. This is a 5-minute trade, and also you can see right there that it says we should use small, okay, 1x. Okay, so let's head over right here. You can see right here this is 1x, 0.203. okay, let's go over, click on the BTC trade right here. So what you have to do right here is click on this 5-minute trade, click on 5 minutes. Once you click on 5 minutes, you can see this small right here, exactly what they told us to do. Then you write in the amount of trade for the first one, 0.203. Then you click on this trade button right here. So once you click on trade, so click on trade right here, and you can see right there you have entered the trade, and you can see in the next 3 minutes from now the result is going to come outside. Okay, so it depends on what's your balance that the calculator will give you. If you have $40, calculator is going to give you a different figure for you to trade with. Okay, let's just hold on for this timer to finish right now. You can see we just have 4 seconds left, so let's wait for it to count down. Okay, you can see right there the timer is over, and let's head over to the group. You can see right there this particular one we just traded. Okay, you can see the result is lost, so you have to now enter the second trade right here. You can see the second one says even, and we should use 2.5x, which is level 2. Okay, let's head over right now. You can see my current balance is $205.9 right here. So I'll just head over to the home menu, click on my calculator. Once I click on my calculator, I'll just write in my current balance, 205.9. okay, then I'll just click on, you can see right there, this is the one recommended, 0.504. okay, so once you just go there, then you head over to the BTC trade right here, click on the BCT. Okay, right here, once you click on, then you have to come over, click on this 5 minutes. Once you click on 5 minutes right here, you can see they recommended us to also use even. You can see this is even right here. Click on even. Once you click on even, then write in the amount given to you by the calculator, 0.504. So you click on trade. Once you do that, click on confirm. So you can see right there is a success, and we just have 3 minutes left right for the results to come outside. You can see right there we just have 7 seconds left for the results, and let's head over to the Telegram and see for the results. Okay, we just hold on for some seconds and the result is going to appear. You can see right there that the trade, you can see right there, this trade right here is a win. We won this trade. So let's head over back. You can see right there the trade has now been won and we got extra $1 from it. Okay, so right here let's head over and see the next trade right here. You can see right there the next trade, it says we should trade on big and we should use 1x. Okay, so each time you win you go back to 1x. Okay, so right here I'll just head over back, click on my calculator. When I click on my calculator, I'll just write in my current balance, which is 206.4 USDT. Then you can see right there the amount is going to give me, okay, that is 0.203. Okay, so once I just get that, then I'll just head over back to my BTC trade. So I'll just click on that. Once I click on it, then you can see right here, on you click on the 5 minute trade because we are trading on 5 minutes. So then you write in the amount, which is 0.203. Then okay, let's look at the you can see right there, say we should trade big. So you just select as big. So you can see this is big, the first one. So you just click on it, then you click on trade, click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, then okay, you can see right there that we also have 3 minutes left right now for the result to come outside. You can see it's 3 seconds left, and let's head over to the Telegram channel right here. You can see right there that this trade is also a win right here. You can see the result is win, so we won this trade right here. So you can see the next trade, you say we trade on big and also use the same 1x. Okay, so you can see right there we should trade on big. You can see right there that my balance is now 206.6 USD right now. So it's a 5 minutes trade and we should just write in the amount, so it's going to be the same amount, 0.203. okay, so then I'll click on the, you can see big right here, then I'll click on trade, I'll click on confirm right there. So the video is getting too long, so I'm just going to show you the results of all my trades. So let's check the result of this trade right now. Okay, you can see right there we lost on this trade, so we're going to take another trade. You can see the next trade right, it says take even and we should use 2.5x, which is level 2. So guys, this is the last trade right here. So we took about 13 trades on this round, which is about 1 hour 5 minutes. So mostly we won on this trade. So guys, you can see right there, see my balance is now $208. If I head over to my balance right here, just refresh, you can see it's about $208 right now, in which I made about $2.2 profit just from this trade. So you can join their trading signal in the morning, which is 9 a.m. Nigeria time, and also 5 p.m. Nigeria time also. So you can also check your country and what time the trading is starting. So guys, sometimes you might lose on this trade, or sometimes, most times, you are always going to gain on this trade. So this is all about this video on how to join the ByTrading and also how to trade on the platform. Make sure you do to like and subscribe to this channel for more updates like this. Have a nice day.